Welcome to Internet Marketing University. Today I'm going to discuss campaign settings and our best practices. In order to do this, I'm going to walk through the AdWords Editor interface and explain each setting individually. So I'm going to open up AdWords Editor. Make sure you're selected under the campaign that we want to change the settings for. Then select the Campaigns tab. That's going to be under Edit Selected Campaigns. The first thing we want to look at is the Display Network tab. If we're creating search ads, we want to make sure that this is set as disabled so that our ads will only show up on Google search results page. If we're creating display campaigns, then obviously we would set this as enabled. But for right now, we're only creating search campaigns. The next setting we're going to look at is the ad rotation. In order to perform proper split testing, we would want to set this as rotate indefinitely so that over time our ads would receive even exposure and we can perform the proper split test while having actionable data. The next setting we're going to look at is Enhanced CPC. We want Enhanced CPC turned off because Enhanced CPC allows Google to adjust bids in either direction in order to increase exposure, which would make it difficult for us to optimize bids later on. The next setting is the delivery method. We want this setting to be set as accelerated so that our ads will serve for eligible queries as often as possible, and if the budget is burning out throughout the day, we want to know it. The last setting is this exact and phrase matching. We want to make sure that this is selected as do not include close variants, because the other setting would allow Google to choose keywords that it thinks are synonyms and basically turns all of your existing keywords into true broad keywords, which could easily get out of hand and waste your spend. When building out our campaigns, we make sure that we have complete coverage of the three match types, exact, phrase, and modified broad, in order to avoid that situation. Now I'm going to show you where you can find these settings in the interface. So if we open up the interface, you select the campaign, click the Settings tab, and here you'll find all the same settings that we just went through in AdWords Editor. That concludes this video on campaign settings. Thank you for watching.